Solve the equation x plus 1 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 7 plus dot 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 plus x plus 28 is equal to 165. See, in this question they have given the first term as x plus 1, last term as x plus 28, and sum of all of these is 65, right? Now what we can do is, since we have to find the value of x, okay, see how many times x would be there in it. We have to know that first. How many times this x is there and how many terms are there in it. We have to find that. Okay. One more thing that we note here, they have not mentioned anywhere that this is an AP. So if it is not mentioned, so we can't use the formula of AP directly in it. So first of all, we have to prove it is an AP, then only we can use the formula. How to prove in AP? Take the second term, take the first term, get the difference, take the third term, take the second term, get the difference. If both the difference are equal, then we can say they have a common difference, and then we can say it is in AP. So let's first find that out. So what is second term? That is x plus 4 is the second term, right? So we can write this is t2 minus t1 we can write. And if this is equal to t3 minus t2, then it is done for you. Minus, what is the first term? X plus 1. And this is equal to t3 is x plus 7 minus x plus 4. Let's see if it is there or not. Open the bracket, x plus 4 minus x and minus 1 is equal to x plus 7 minus x and minus 4. So x got cancelled here, 4 minus 1 is 3, and here also 7 minus 4 is 3. So yes, t2 minus t1 is equal to t3 minus t2, and that is coming as 3. So they are equal. If it is equal, then we can say it is in AP here. So first thing we have to check it and prove it is in AP, then only we can use the formula for AP. Otherwise we can't simply use it, because the question says solve the equation. It is an equation in that case. Now coming to how to solve it here, we have to find n in this one here. So see, each one of the term has got x added to it, right? But if I subtract x from each term, right, so what happens in it? We'll get what? If you subtract x from the first term, what do you get? X plus 1 minus x, it will give you 1 only, right? Fine. And if you do the same thing to the second term, it will give you what? 4, right? Is that okay? So same way, the third one will give you 7 here, right? Understood? So okay, let's not find the sum here, let's find the AP in that case. So what I can do is, first term is going to be subtracting x from this one, I'll get 1. Second term will be 4, third term will be 7, and the last term here will be 28. So can we not find here the sum? Give me 1 second here. What is the formula that we can use here? So we can say here it is a in this case is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, so d we already know is 3 in this case, and the last term, which is tn is how much? Is 28. So what is n that we have to find it out in it? And once we find n, then we can apply that. So what will that be? It will be a plus n minus 1 d is equal to tn. So a is how much? 1 plus n we do not know, d is 3 is equal to tn is 28. Fine. solve it here. So 1 plus 3n minus 3 is 28. Okay, so 1 minus 3 is 2 minus 2, so 3n is equal to 28 plus 2, so n is equal to 30 by 3 is equal to 10. So we have got n as 10 in it. 10th term is that 28. So 28, this is the 10th term that we have got here. Now, so which means that, see, when we subtracted x from each term, we got 1, 4, 7 and up to 28, right? Right. So which means the number of terms will be the same in either you get it back in terms of x plus 1 and x plus 4. First term, second term, third term, and this will be the 10th term in it. Okay. So now we have got n is 10. We can use it for finding out the value. So sum up to the 10th term is what? S10. Right? What is the formula for that? So we write n upon 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d is equal to Sn. So what is n? 10. So 10 upon 2, 2 into 1 because a is 1 plus n now is 10 minus 1d is 3 should be equal to how much? 165. Okay, made a mistake. First term is not 1. Common difference is 3 for sure, but this is not 1. First term is x plus 1 here. So I can write here x plus 1. Okay. So this will be 2 into x plus 1. Okay. 2a. Now, so this will become 5 and this will become 2x plus 2 plus 9 3 27 is equal to 165. So 5 will go there. It becomes 2x plus 29 is equal to 165 upon 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 3s are 15 got cancelled here. So 2x is equal to 33 minus 29. We made a mistake. Sorry here. Sorry. Okay, it's not this. I made a mistake here. Just one. D is not 3. Right? We can't take it as 3 in this case here. Just 1 second. Because x will come in terms of negative here. So that will give you 6. If I solve it here, what do we get x as? X is coming as minus 6 upon 2, that is minus 3 in it. So x is minus 3 is one possibility. Give me 1 second. What should be there? See, the problem is d that we cannot get from here. D is not 3 here. We took it wrong. Because second term minus the first term should give you D. And this is what we have taken here, right? So 9 is 27. But it should not be the answer there. Second term minus the first term should give you D4. Okay. But X will get cancelled. So 3 is coming up. Okay. Yeah, why not? 3 can be the common difference. Did we use it properly? 165. This is 165 here. And we have got 10 terms. This is the 10th term. T1, T2, T3 up to 10th term. And up to that sum, okay, if we're taking here, oh, we can't use that. Since why we can't use it here? 10 minus 1, D is 3, we can't use that. So 10 3 is 27 here, it will become 5 will go. So can't use this. Give me 1 second. Let me do it in this manner here. N upon 2. So n is how much? N is 10. 10 number of terms upon 2. 2 into x plus 1. Since we are taking the first term as x plus 1 here, plus we'll not take the it's 10 minus 1, and d we will take it as, okay, we'll not take d in this case. We have another formula to find it out, that is a plus l. Why don't we use that? We can use the formula as n upon 2 a plus l. L is given directly, we can use that, right, is equal to 165, and that is Sn. So n is how much? 10. So 10 upon 2, a is x plus 1. Use x plus 1, plus l is how much? X plus 28. Fine. Is equal to 165. If I use this, what will happen? 5 x plus x 2x, open the bracket, plus 29 is equal to 165. So same thing happens here. 2x is equal to 165 upon 5 minus 29. Okay, so 2x is equal to 165 upon, same thing is coming up here, right? So 165, 5 3s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. 33 minus 29. I don't know what I was doing here. See, I made a mistake in the beginning. Calculation is a problem. I was not wrong. 33 minus 29 is 4. Oh, you were right. And this 2, x is equal to 2 is an answer here. Okay, so 2x is equal to 4, right? And x is equal to 4 upon 2, which is equal to 2. So what is the value of x? X is 2 in it. So solve for x, we have got the value of x is 2. And this is an answer here. Okay, fine. I was getting some minus answer, and anyway. So answer for this one is 2 here. So either the d can be taken as 3 here, because this is t2 minus t1 is d always, which is coming as 3. That is what we can take it. And okay, how to get the number of term? This is what we can get. If you can subtract any number from any AP, right? You take an AP, you subtract any particular number constant value from all the terms, you still those will be in AP. We can do that, and we can be able to find the number of terms. This will help you to get the number of terms. So how did we get 14728? By subtracting x from each terms, so that if I remove it, I can get what the number of terms in it, and we can do that. It's not an issue. Then once we have got that 10, we can be able to find out using a and d. We can find it out. A was x plus 1, and we can find the value of x in it by using this 2a plus n minus 1t. We can also find the same thing by using the value n by 2 into a plus l, the whole thing, right? And that will give summation, sum of all the terms in it, summation of all the terms of the AP, and both ways the answer will come as same. Okay.